And so now you need to understand, whoever conquers a people, they rewrite the history of that people. So you guys are saying to me, well, you know, in the Bible, Diva, in the Bible, it say man, woman, child. Okay. Where does that come from? The Bible. Are y'all understanding, women, who wrote those scriptures? Why do you not know of who Sybils and oracles are? Why they don't speak about Sybils and oracles? And the fact that the scriptures are so old, they predate anything. They can't even date them. The Bible comes around in 325 AD. Those scriptures were written so far in the BC, once again, they can't be dated. Why you don't know about that? Who wrote them? Look up Sybils and oracles. Look it up. And why have they written her out of her scriptures? Go find Ruth and go find Solomon's story and watch him tell you who led the Israelites out of Egypt. It wasn't no Moses. Why are you not reading the left out books? The Bible is very powerful. But you need to read what came before it. If you're not studying the ancient civilizations and understanding what happened in those times, if you don't know the treaties and the trust, then you really don't know anything and you're going to stay asleep. Because the woman was conquered. When you're talking about religions, all religions are patriarchal. All religions are patriarchal. What does that mean, Diva? The original order on this planet was matriarchy. The woman ruled. Matriarchy. Ma for mother. Matriarchy. And then he took her over. When did this start? According to my research, we're looking at 1000 BC all the way up to, and again you see in 325 AD. Things change. Energies return. And there is a spiritual shift at this time. There have been many spiritual shifts in between those times, but this one right here, when you're seeing women grow in popularity, and that you might just think, oh, that's just, it's a spiritual thing. Everything is spiritual, everything. But when you see women's sports on the rise, and you see women in power on the rise, and that's a spiritual thing. Let's be clear about this. And I'm telling my brother this so that he's clear. Don't be trying to dominate her. Because you get a lot of brothers out here be trying to tell her how to lead. And I love my brother. But I know how you do. I know your nature. I respect your nature. But brothers be trying to lead from the back. Yeah, no, that girl, go and do that thing. Step back. She's got to do what she's got to do. She needs to come into knowledge of self. But he says it was man, woman, child when the original order was Christ, woman, child. And once again, I say to you, woman, you tap into source before you allow anyone to tap into you. If you don't know who you are, then you're going to be susceptible to allow somebody to beat on you and abuse you and talk back to you. Because it starts with the negative talk where they tell, girl, you fine, but you will be a little bit finer if you do a little, got a little work done on you. I pay for it. I pay for it. Girl, you fine, but you will be a little bit pretty if you got some work done on you. I pay for it. Starts with that kind of stuff. Degrading you. But if you tapped in the source, you don't ever allow that kind of energy around you. Ever. Ever. She can't be tapped in the source when she thinks she's less than and that she's not worthy of anything unless she's with a man. And this is not me saying, well, I don't need no man. This is beyond that. This is talking about tapping in the source. And once you tapped in the source, if you feel like you want to have somebody in your space, then it's going to be a healthy relationship. You cannot be healthy when you don't even know who you are. You don't even know who he is. You worry about, well, he gonna go out and cheat on me, and he gonna. That's not even healthy.